Hello and welcome to National Insurance Academy. My name is Kabir Sukhani. We are standing right outside NIA's campus. Today we will meet two students who are freshers and are recently placed in Accenture Strategy and Consulting. Before that, let me tell you a bit about NIA. National Insurance Academy is a premier institute established in 1980 by the public sector general insurance companies and life insurance companies with the support of Ministry of Finance, Government of India. To be the institute of excellence in learning and research in insurance, pension and allied areas, NIA moved to this lush green Pune campus in 1990. The program started in 2004, which is AICTE approved. The PGDM course is MBA equivalent by AIU and is also NBA accredited. NIA has an excellent track record of 100% placements since inception. So today we have two second-year PGDM students with us, Mugdha and Shripriya. They both are freshers and are recently placed in Accenture Strategy and Consulting. So before we begin, Mugdha, we would like to know a bit about you, your journey till NIA, where are you from, and tell us something about yourself.
Hello Kabir, I am from Ratnagiri, which is located on the western coast of Maharashtra. I have completed my BCom from Brihan Maharashtra College of Commerce, Pune, with the specialization of banking and finance. The course was so developed that I got to learn about insurance subjects into bit detail. So I thought of pursuing my post-graduation in the same.
Okay.
So when it comes to management plus insurance, there is nothing better than National Insurance Academy.
Okay, so you developed your interest in insurance subjects in your graduation itself. Was it the same for you, Shripriya?
For me, it was slightly different. Basically, I'm from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So I had pursued my graduation in arts with a triple major in political science, economics and sociology. As I progressed through my academics, I volunteered at a few NGOs and I realized how important insurance is and how connected it is to every aspect of our lives and the economy per se. So once I developed this inclination, all that was left for me to do was to equip myself for these management aptitude exams like CAT and CMAT. After which I underwent a rigorous interview process and here I am sitting before you after.
That's great to know. So you developed your interest in insurance while working for an NGO.
Yes.
That brings me to my next question that when you developed your interest in insurance subjects, you decided to go for an MBA.
Right.
So how different is PGDM in insurance from any other MBA?
To be very frank, Kabir, there is no such difference between PGDM and PGDM in insurance. Normally, PGDM courses have subjects like marketing, finance, HR, etc. Whereas for PGDM in insurance, we have those subjects plus insurance subjects.
Okay.
So we get to learn about management plus insurance.
So NI's curriculum comprises of subjects from general MBA, general management subjects, as well as from insurance subjects as well.
Exactly.
Okay, that's good to know. So it's a pretty beautiful campus around here, and why don't we take a walk and explore the campus? So as you both are placed in consulting companies, and we are seeing a lot of digital disruption these days, Shripriya, could you please tell me how consulting companies are shaping the insurance industry these days?
Yes, as you had mentioned, the insurance industry is undergoing a rapid transformation. The trend of digital disruption has completely changed the way how insurance companies perform business and also how customers perceive insurance companies. So now they feel empowered by technology and they demand quick and efficient service which increases their value proposition. So what's happened is that to meet this ever-changing needs of the market, insurance companies seek assistance in technological and analytical space. This is exactly right at the forte of consulting. So what happens is that they bring in their much needed expertise in data analysis and problem solving backed by modern technology to help innovate the entire insurance ecosystem. So consulting companies play a vital role in helping insurers equip themselves to current market trends and also to help them serve their customers in a much better way. And I believe this trend will continue for a while in the future as well.
We can all agree to that. Customers will always look out for something new, even in insurance industry. So we are seeing a lot of digital disruptions such as Policy Bazaar or other web aggregators coming into the market.
Exactly.
You can actually purchase a health insurance policy or a motor policy via mobile app.
Yeah.
That's great. Coming to our next question. So Mugdha, when Accenture SNC came to the campus for placements, what were your exact thoughts? Were you excited or were you a bit motivated? And as you both are freshers, you must have a bit of competition from your peers who are experienced.
Right.
So how did you cope up with that pressure and how NIA helped you with the entire preparation?
To begin with, when Accenture SNC came to the campus, our placement officer, Dr. Vaishali Bangure, stated that this is once in a lifetime opportunity, and that sort of stayed with me for the entire process. As NIA's alumni network is quite well knitted, we contacted our alumni and gained the perspective about the company, about how the work culture of Accenture is, and that sort of helped us. The next round was MD round, in which our faculty members, our chair professors, even the director himself, Mr. G. Srinivasan, guided us and told us about the complete work culture and about the complete scenario of the consulting companies. And moving forward with the next question of yours, being a fresher, there is always a self-doubt within us.
Yeah.
That how can we cope up with the person who has a work experience? But with the help of NIA, it seems achievable now.
That's good to know. So basically, that brings me to my last question of the video, Sri Priya. I've always wanted to know that in this growing industry, do you think MBA with a specialization in insurance, is it a way to enter into the insurance industry and make a career?
Okay, to reiterate what you said, the insurance industry is well renowned as a sunrise sector, which I believe is justified because with a CAGR of 15 to 17%,
Yes.
and your penetration figure shows that there's an immense potential. So, and nowadays, right after the pandemic, you can see that people are interested and they have an increasing awareness about insurance and its necessity. And looking at some of the favorable policy changes that is brought by the regulator and the government as well, we can say the environment for growth in this industry is highly conducive. Talk about the other aspect of your question. I believe MBA with a specialization in insurance is the perfect way to begin your career in this sector. So, because here you not only become seasoned management professional, but you also get to know about the nuances that are there in the sector and of course fundamental knowledge, because here the faculties are industry experts who have a lot of experience in the sector. So they were professionals earlier and now they are our faculties imparting knowledge. And another plus point about NIA, as we all know, is that it has got a 100% placement record right since its inception. So talking about all of this, I believe joining this course over here has given me a lot of knowledge and skills which would be required of me.
That's really good to know, because what you said, what we can rightly say is that the specialization in your MBA gives you an edge over others. You do have domain subjects as well, and you get a gist of how industry works, along with those general management subjects. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Mugdha. Thank you so much, Sri Priya, for talking to us. That brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching.